Hey guys, ain't no Hellcat here. So I just did the half covers for the SRT 392 6.4 liter for the 5.7 Hemi, and looking kind of good, guys. Look at that. I did a little bit of modification to the covers itself. So I have a JLT catch can right here, 3.0, and I had to modify and put this little notch in right here because they have a little lip like that one right there, and I had to kind of modify and make this this tube here a little bit longer, just for it to go over this little bump right here. There's a little hump right there that I didn't really want to trim down. I kind of wanted to keep it the same because it was just too much work. But this is a really good upgrade for the 5.7. Over here, I had to reroute the crankcase ventilation that ran over here because I didn't want to drill in this area over here. I was going to punch a little hole right in that area, but to run that stock tube over to this air intake. But I capped it off, got a little cap right there, and then got one of these little breather tubes. I utilized my stock tube that went over here, curved it around, and it's sitting kind of flush and looked really good. No problems. Took it out today. Looks really nice. So I got this little 5-pack of Dorman plugs. They're bypass cap assortments, and I used that big one right there to cap that. So it's a lot more cleaner than just using a hose with a bolt in it. And yeah, I mean, it came out really clean, sits flush on both sides. Look at that, really nice. So yeah, here's a little tutorial for you 5.7 guys. If you guys want a little upgrade in your life instead of using the shield. All right, talk to you guys later.